Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez, and today I am making a card using brand new products from the upcoming holiday catalog, which is going to be available for you starting September 5th. Now, if you're a demonstrator, you can already get all of these items, but let me just show you real quick this bundle. This one is called First Frost, and I love these watercolor flowers and the sentiments. I am really liking a lot of the mixing of the fonts that Stampin' Up! Has lately been doing in a lot of their sets, and so this is no exception. So I have this one, and of course, like I said, it's a bundle, and this one comes, or this bundle comes with the frosted bouquet framelit, and as usual, when you get them together, you save 10% on both of these items. Obviously, you can purchase them separately, but again, why would you want to do that when you can save 10%? So anyway, let's just start with the card. And this one, let me just go over dimensions real quick. Oh, because I had already die cut a lot of the things here, and I'll go on colors and all that. Now this time I'm doing my my card the long way. So this one is 11 by 4 1/4. And when I do that, I usually use my simple score and then score it at 5.5. Because this is half of it. I found that it's usually better if I do that when I am doing the long way. I don't find it that hard when I'm doing the other side, but whenever I do the long side, I always find that it's better if you score it. So I'm going to go ahead and fold it in half, and I still use my bone folder, and then I have a crisp fold. Now this suite comes with the design series paper, and I'll show you in a second, which is this one, and this one is called Frosted Floral Specialty Paper, and as usual, I always said this, but you can see in the back all the colors that coordinates with this paper. There's a lot of flowers, as you can see here. There's a lot of flowers. So one side has more colors, and what is cool about this is a specialty paper, is that it was printed on shimmery paper. It is thinner than the other specialty paper that we have had in the past, but it's really nice. And what I like about it is that one side has a lot of florals and the other one, it's more of a one color, so it makes it really easy to make cards with it. So in fact, I am designing a class around this suite, so be sure to check my blog at creatingwithali.com around September, because I'll be releasing some online classes or classes to go that I'm sure you're gonna love with it. So you're gonna fall in love with it. So anyway, so the measurements on this is I have Whisper White, and this one is 4 by 5 1/4. So it goes like so, right? And then I have a piece of the design series paper, and this one is 3 1/4 by 4.5. So it will go like this. Let's just go ahead and glue this section, because I know I won't be doing anything else on these, so I can go ahead and put it in. So let's just put it like so, and we're gonna go ahead and glue this one the same way. All right, so you know what, I'm gonna be doing this side. There we go. Nice frame around it. So here it is, and again you can see that shimmer look that I love. Now I also have die cut already. Oh, and by the way, I didn't say the color of this one, but this is Mossy Meadow. And then I have already die cut in scallop circle with the layering circles, and this is Poppy Parade, and I have done one of the stitch circles out of the stitch shaped framelits, and I did this one in the cantaloupe. What is this? Cantaloupe Grove? No, Grapefruit Grove. No, cantaloupe. Grapefruit Grove. And you can see it here. So it will go like so. And then I have die cut in pure pieces these two leaves or foliage, I should say. And then this one's in mossy meadow. Oh, you just gotta be careful here. Here it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue these things. Let's just go ahead and do that. Alrighty. Oh, let me just get it before it's too late. There we go. There we go. So you only want a little bit of it showing up. I'm gonna put it like so. And this one will go here. Then I'm going to be adding some glue dots on these. So let me just put some glue dots. So I'm going to be adding one here. And then one on this side. Oh. And then I'm going to be adding one here. Actually one here. And then one there. I'm going to be gentle with it. Because you don't want to. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and put it like so. And then we're going to be adding the next one here. Yes. All right, so here we go. So we have those little leaves here to add something, and then let's just go start doing the stamping. So I'm going to be using what is this color? Poppy Parade. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp here. And I'm going to go ahead and do 2 of this. Okay. And this is just a scrap of paper. Then I have a piece of, yes, that will be nice. Then I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is a 1/2 inch. And I think I'm going to be using black for this. And I'm going to be using the Congratulations. Alright, congratulations. Let's just see how this goes. Perfect. And so now we're gonna bring the Big Shot. Let's just bring the Big Shot here. Here it is. And so I'll put this one here. And one thing that is really cool about this one is you can see there are 2 of the small leaves. And also of these flowers, there's 2 of them. I'm sorry, not leaves, but flowers. But you can see I can't like cut 2 at a time. So I think that's awesome. That's very smart from Stampin' Up this time, because you are not going to be having to. Oh, let me just make sure I can put them here without them moving. Let me just make sure. Sometimes they have their own mind, And so if that happens, then I still have to do, there we go. You just have to move them around. This one, there we go. See that? So now I have all of these. And I just need to run it one time and that's it. So I think that's very smart from the design on these framelits, honestly, because you can cut 3 of the leaves, not leaves, flowers. I keep saying leaves, but this is flowers at the same time. Here we go. All right. So let me just put this here. Take this one out. Bring the cart back. And as usual, I'm going to be doing my little banner. Alrighty. We're going to be doing the same here. Alright. This one will go like so here. Yeah, so let's just put some dimensionals. And then let's add the flowers. I think the flowers should go like so, all over the place. There we go. What do you think, huh? I think that looks really nice. So let's just add all right. All right. I think I like it with just the 2, you know? Well, do I want another one here? Yeah, no. I think I'm gonna like it. I'm just gonna have it like that. I don't think I want another one of those. And then I'm just gonna add here, like a little rhinestone here, just to add a little bit of the bling, you know? Just to have something here and there. I think that should be fine. I think that should be fine. It has a little bit of the bling here and there. And I think we are done with this card. And what do you think, huh? Do you like it? I love how this whole thing looks. I love all the foliage. And so anyway, so here is the card for today. Again, this is a brand new set that will, or a brand new bundle that will be available started September 5th. And if you're a demonstrator, you can already start getting them. You can also sign up right now and add these on your starter kit and save even more, because you can put a bundle in your starter kit. And so, like I said, it's just really awesome. But again, September 5th is when you're going to start being able to get it as a customer. So anyway, hope you have liked it. Again, don't forget about my ordering incentive. When you purchase on my online store using the hostess code, you get a card kit in the mail that will contain everything to make a card except the stamping, but you can substitute with whatever you have. And if your order is $50 or more, you also get the accessory of the month. And so you can get the hostess code out of my blog in creatingwithali.com. It will be on the front page, and in every single post I always put the current hostess code of the month. So anyway, hope you have enjoyed, and leave me a comment, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye.